perfect. That is why I'm never live, because something or the other goes wrong. Hi. So yeah, मैं गई नहीं वापस. I am back again. Karan, what did you write? I couldn't read it. Hi everyone. Something went wrong. I don't know, this filter, the new thing has come up. You add a lot of filters and then suddenly there is a new filter and then suddenly the filter goes, and that is why I never click pictures with filters. That is why I keep it very real and natural, and I am not going anywhere right now. Okay, right now I'm here for like 5-10 minutes, then I have to go. And so as we all celebrate Diwali with a lot of sweets, I like making my own whole the Diwali sweet thing. The whole thing goes on. It starts so it's starting today. I'm starting to make laddus, because I like making laddus and modaks and these little things. It keeps me very happy. So I will also upload a small video, how do I make besan laddus, which is my favorite and which I give to all my friends, most of my friends. And then hi Pulkit. अरे उसमें भी अच्छा लग रही थी यार. नहीं अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी. I was looking like an alien. वो वाले attachment, I don't know what attachment just started. So yeah, so I will be here for a while and then I have to go and start doing all that. आप लोग भी अपने घर में प्लीज़ जाइए और स्वीट डिशेस जो आपको आती है, अगर शीरा भी आता है तो कोई बात नहीं, जो आपको आज नहीं बनाना है वो तो आप उसी दिन बना सकते हैं, बट ये लड्डूज और ये सब जो होते हैं वो आप पहले से बना के रखते हैं. Will the name be the same? Okay, ma'am. No, the name will not be the same. No, it will not be called CID. Hi. Please tell my name. Who's this? Please tell my name. Please say my name. Meg Pawar. Hi Meg Pawar. Hi Sanya. Congratulations Sanya. So Sanya was working with us on CID. She was the ACS, Associate Creative Head, and a lovely girl. So she is engaged and I'm wishing her all the very best for her future. Ansha, love for Mumbai in my heart. Thank you, Karan. Please tell my name. Rahul. Hi Rahul. CID season 2 नहीं आएगा क्या मैम? Of course आएगा. CID कब वापस आएगा? 21 में ही आएगा. अब तो 2020 खत्म हो गया है. आप लोग अभी दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करें. CID बहुत जल्दी आएगा. Please say my name. Simran. Hi Simran. ID my name. Prathvi school name. Okay. ये मैसेजेस ना बहुत जल्दी स्क्रॉल हो जाते हैं. Okay, how are you? I am good. Ma'am, you live in Mumbai? Yes, I live in Mumbai. Okay. Please come to Surat. Oh yeah, definitely. Shooting होगी तो आएंगे ना हम. वैसे भी I like Surat. I like Gujarat, the way it is developed. I really like it. Hi Baba. Karan, please take my name. Sonam. Yes, Sonam. Hi. I'm sure you're happy now. I've taken your name. I mean, your name is. I have to read everything, है ना? The fitness tips. ऐसे tips कैसे दे सकते हैं fitness के बारे में? Fitness is something you have to follow. You have to write it down every day. Change yourself according to it, है ना? Be consistent. राजस्थान में तो शूट हो चुका है, बट ऑफ कोर्स हम आएंगे राजस्थान. राजकोट जी. प्लीज टेक माई नेम. ध्रुव विला. हाय ध्रुव. प्लीज से माई नेम ऑल्सो. अंश पटेल. Okay. Upload your feet video. Why do you want to see my feet? Okay. आज गुजरात में what was that? Please take my name. Okay. So yes, my name Jharna. Hi Jharna. अगर मैं किसी का नाम नहीं ले पा रही हूँ ना तो प्लीज़ आप लोग ये मत सोच रही कि मैं नहीं लेना चाहती, जो जो मुझे दिखता जा रहा है मैं लेती जा रही हूँ नाम. और इसके बाद भी आई विल गो थ्रू द कमेंट्स एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू रिप्लाई. You know, my friends are all there, I think, especially Karan is there. वैसे तो कभी फोन नहीं करेगा and right now he is online. But yeah, I have beautiful friends and I can today the way I am, it's because of my company. They say ना आपके जो आसपास के जो 5 लोग होते हैं, 5 लोग, 5 ही, उनके हिसाब से आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप होती है ना. तो my friends are amazing friends. So first of all, I've been shooting with seniors in my show, so I've also become a little different from what others are, like a little more matured. And then I have friends who are mature. So you know, something very stupid or something, I avoid doing something very stupid. I avoid getting into a situation where I don't want to be in. So yeah, because of my friends. Hi Vishwas. I'm sure you're happy now. Daya sir join karuna didi. Daya sir Aditya sir, they are not on Instagram. That is yeah. मैं सोच रही हूँ उनके नाम का मैं ही एक अकाउंट खोल लूँ दोनों के नाम का, और दोनों को बोल दूँ सर ये आपका अकाउंट है, ये आपका अकाउंट है, ये आपके पासवर्ड्स हैं. पर ऐसा है नहीं. I will try to convince them to come on Insta and you know or else I can open a handle for them and give it to them and like sir ये please आपके अकाउंट से आप प्लीज़ देखिए और इसे डील कीजिए, ये है बस. I think that is what to be done and I will whenever I meet Aditya sir or Daya sir I will definitely do it. So whenever we are going to going for a pre-production meeting or something like a look test or something, if I meet them I will open an account on their mobiles and will give it to them. Daya sir break doors in his house? No, Daya sir does not break doors. Ma'am, Janvi ma'am को बोलो ना live आने. Okay, I don't know whether Janvi is online. सर को join करो live. नहीं, अभिजीत सर तो है नहीं Instagram पे, मैं कैसे join करूँ? Okay, madam, hi बोलो ना please. Hi Sandeep Kumar. Let's see, take my name. Abhishek, hi. So yes, I'm sure I've answered most of your questions. Or what's your present work? वो मैंने बता दिया कि what I'm doing right now. Please जानवी दी को join करो. Okay, let me try whether I can request her to come on live. One second. No, I didn't see her again. Who's your favorite actor? Janvi is not online. No, invite. She's not online. I don't think so. Yeah. कोई बात नहीं. जानवी जी से तो आपने कल बात कर ही ली थी. आई थिंक कल परसों करवा चौथ पे वो लाइव थी. Yeah, she was looking very pretty and she is a pretty girl and with a very good heart. I was very compatible shooting with her. इतना शायद ही एक दो लड़कियां कभी compatible होती होंगी. That it was so I was so comfortable shooting with her. So whenever when she left the show and when I did outdoors on my phone alone, uh, I was missing her so much. तो गई क्यों? हाँ, this is better. Ridhima. Hi, Ridhima. My name too. Twinkle. Hi, Twinkle. So yeah, so me, Janvi, Shraddha, we share a very very special bond. Hi, your motivation for workout. My motivation for workout. There is no. I don't know what is the motivation. I, I, I think that is inbuilt. I know not all of them have this. Sometimes even I feel lazy, but very rarely I feel that okay, I don't want to work out. I don't want to do cardio, especially weight training sessions. I never feel that. Huh? This is weird. I never feel that I do not want to go for a weight training. I might be lazy on a cardio day, but weight training because of my trainer, I think he's made it so easier for me. I've fallen in love with this. Please say my name, Yashika. Hi, Yashika. So it is all because of him that he makes it so good. He makes it so effortless. Weight training is like, oh, yaar, lift karna hai, weight train karna hai. I don't feel that. It not only me. ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, I'm an actor and I want to keep fit and I want to look good and I want to follow a diet and it is not about me. So my friend Amigami, I'm sure you guys know her. She is my workout friend. She's my travel partner also. We have traveled together once, but then I want her to travel with me more. So we meet every alternate day because we gym together. We go to the gym together. She also doesn't miss a workout. Okay, I can be very conscious of myself, but she also doesn't miss a workout because he is made this, especially my trainer. You know, my trainer, he's made this so uh, adorable weight training. So yeah, I don't know. He could be the motivation. He is the motivation actually. Oh, my brother, he's also online. So these days, kids are online, and I'm sure they are going through a lot of, the wonderful, the beautiful thing about lockdown, okay, is of course we transformed ourselves. We came to know the value of staying home and spending time, and all that happened. All of us have been complaining about not going out, about not meeting friends, about not going to a restaurant, about not clubbing, about not doing this, that, shopping. Kids haven't. This is this is something which we have to learn. They haven't said anything. Every morning they log in. Every morning they attend the class. Then they go for their coaching classes, of course, online. And they haven't complained. We are at home and what is this? We want to play. We want to go to the school. I haven't heard a kid complaining. So he doesn't complain. That is the most beautiful thing about kids, you know. सारी प्रॉब्लम हम ही को होती है बच्चों को मतलब या so much to learn. Thank you. My smile, I give the credit to the dimples. Character same है CID में. It's a good question. Character भी see we are all doing a crime show. Of course, names will be different. Again, company.